Today, we will deal with iPhone 6 not charging issue. Press power button, the phone won't turn on. Plug in the charging cable, still no response at all. Remove charging port screws and raise up the display assembly. Disconnect the battery. Switch the multimeter to voltage mode. And measure voltage of the battery. The measured voltage value is 0 volt, which is abnormal. The battery might have been in protected mode. Continue to measure voltage of the battery connector. The measured voltage value is 0.18 volts, which is abnormal. Normal value should vary between 0 volt and 4 volts. Then measure the test point next to the battery connector, TP2501. The measured voltage value is 4.86 volts, which indicates that the line between charging port flex cable and charging port connector is in normal status. We can conclude now that charging circuit of logic board is abnormal. Q1701, U1401, Q1403, U1700, all of them compose the charging circuit. Since pin D6 on U1700 is the charging enable signal for U1401, when facing the not charging issue, we can start our repair work by replacing U1700. Remove the display assembly. Take out the logic board. Attach the logic board to PCB holder. Disconnect the antenna first. Then heat with hot air gun at 330 degrees to remove the shielding cover. Once done, heat with hot air gun at 280 degrees. Remove the black adhesive around U1700 with sculpture knife. Tips: keep the sculpture knife away from components around. Once done, heat with hot air gun at 330 degrees and pry off U1700 with sculpture knife. Apply some BGA paste flux to the bonding pad. Remove tins on the bonding pad with soldering iron. Then remove tins thoroughly with rosin-soaked solder wick. And remove residual black adhesive with sculpture knife. Once done, clean the bonding pad with PCB cleaner. Apply some BGA paste flux to the bonding pad. Align the new USB IC to the right place. Do not reverse the direction. Set temperature of the hot air gun at 330 degrees. Air gear 2. Tips: turn the force of the wind down when soldering IC, since a strong wind might lead to deviation of the IC. With the IC sinking and paste flux overflowing, the soldering process will then be finished. Wait for the logic board to cool for 5 minutes. Clean thoroughly with PCB cleaner. Get the logic board assembled. Plug in the USB charging cable and measure voltage of the battery connector. The measured voltage value varies between 0 volt and 4 volts, which is normal. Buckle the display assembly and plug in the USB charging cable again. Then buckle the battery. With the battery icon appears on the screen, the battery also gets activated. After fully charged for 15 minutes, the phone turns on automatically, which indicates that the phone can be charged normally now. The charging indicator on the screen displays normally after turned on. Fault cleared. Warm tips: get the phone full assembled after confirmation of fault clearance. iPhone 6 not charging issue fixed perfectly. And this is our iPhone 6 not charging repair course today. Feel free to visit our official website www.rivertechnology.com. See you next course.